Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print anything on iPhone like your photos, emails, text messages, etc. So guys, if you want to print anything from photos, emails or text messages and you don't know how to do this, here I will show you how can you easily print anything from your photos, emails or text messages from your Apple device. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to simply drag down your control center and turn on AirPrint and ensure your printer is compatible with AirPrint and connected to the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone. So I simply connect your printer with same Wi-Fi and then connect your iPhone with the same Wi-Fi, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open anything you want to print from your iPhone. So as here I am going to open my photos, and now I'm going to print this page as this is photo and I want to get the print of this page. Then you have to simply tap on this share button. So I simply tap on this share button, and after this scroll it below, and here you will get the print option. So guys, basically you have to simply connect your printer with same Wi-Fi as your iPhone, and after this you have to simply tap on print button. So I simply tap on print button, and after this select the printer from here. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply select the printer which is connected with the same Wi-Fi, and after this you have to simply tap on print button, and then you can take a print of this page or photo very easily. So guys, this is the first way. And if you want to print any email, then you have to simply open your mails. So guys, here I am opening my Gmail, and now go to any email from here, and now we have to simply tap on three dots button from here, and then you have to simply tap on print all from here. So as you can see this, you have to simply tap on print all and then select the printer, and then you can get the printer of this email very easily. So guys, here you can also see the print option. If you tap on three dots button from here, you can select this print as well. So guys, you can see this, select the printer, and after this you can easily take the print of your emails from here as well. So guys, in this way you can also take prints of anything on your iPhone like your photos, emails or text messages. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.